To withdraw Robinhood buying power. First, you need to understand what buying power is. Buying power is the amount of money you have available to invest in the stock market through the Robinhood platform. It can include your cash balance, as well as the value of any unsettled trades. To start the withdrawal process, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the account icon, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to access your account information. Next, select the Transfers option from the account menu. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage your funds. Choose the Transfer to your bank option to initiate the withdrawal process. You will then be prompted to select the bank account you want to transfer the funds to. If you have not already linked a bank account to your Robinhood account, you will need to do so by providing your bank account details. Once you have selected your bank account, enter the amount of money you want to withdraw from your Robinhood buying power. You can choose to withdraw a specific amount or your entire available balance. After entering the amount, review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct. If you are satisfied with the information, confirm the transfer. The funds will then be transferred from your Robinhood account to your bank account. It is essential to note that there may be some delays in the transfer process, depending on your bank's processing time. Typically, it takes a few business days for the funds to become available in your bank account. To avoid any issues, make sure you have sufficient buying power in your Robinhood account to cover the withdrawal amount. Additionally, be aware of any potential fees associated with transferring funds out of your Robinhood account. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw your Robinhood buying power and transfer the funds to your bank account. Remember to always review your account information and transfer details carefully to ensure a smooth and successful transaction.